Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a Facebook business page. To begin, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you are signed into the account you want to use for managing the business page. Starting from the main Facebook home screen will make it easier to find the page creation tools. Once you are on Facebook, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. In that menu, click See More to expand the full list of options. This reveals additional sections that may be hidden at first, especially if your menu is collapsed or customized. After the menu expands, scroll down until you find Pages, then click it. This takes you to the area where Facebook organizes business pages, brand pages, and other public-facing page types. If you do not see it immediately, scroll a little further, since the layout can vary slightly. When the Pages screen opens, go to the top left area and click Create Page. This starts the page setup process and opens the page creation flow. Next, choose Public Page. This option is typically used for businesses, brands, organizations, creators, and other entities that want a visible presence on Facebook. After selecting it, click Next to continue. On the next screen, click Get Started. This moves you into the main setup form where you will begin entering the basic details for your new page. Now enter a sample name for the page. In a real setup, this would usually be your business name or brand name. Try to use a clear, recognizable title so people can easily identify the page when they search for it or see it in recommendations. From here, continue by following the on-screen procedure. Facebook will guide you through the remaining setup fields and prompts. Depending on the current layout, this may include items like selecting categories, adding a description, and completing other basic page details. Take your time and read each prompt carefully so your page is set up accurately. Once you have finished completing the required information, click Create Page. Facebook will then generate your new business page and take you to the page management area. At that point, your page is officially created. You can then review the page and continue refining it inside Facebook if needed. As a general tip, it is always a good idea to double-check the information you entered before finishing, since clear and complete page details can help your audience understand what your business is about. That's it. You have now created a Facebook business page.